Ministry of Home Affairs support ka jingelam Menteri Sorkar Amit Shah kan Shong jingelang ka khatpratrik nai Weng arajar psaw ban shim ikirai lor kumno panele banwanra ya ka Shong Shanga Manipur hadian ka jingkhe biang ka thma hapdeng gi jaj ban ria kuki bat meitai tang kata ka Sorkar preng ka ladep ru ban pha ki bor pahara bakin shim ya ka sinjam ki bron kam ka bantela kam mi ki kam snam mapo ka jela ka blakhe hadian ka jingyo tam ya lightly ki met yap jong kinthei bat ki khana na Jirbam district ka Manipur na marka jinge khi Manipur ka Seng Hima National People's Party NPP ka basan shar Meghalaya ka Lamkhmat ya ka Sorkar MDA Meghalaya ha ka khanyo trik unai Weng arajar psaw ka Weng no ilade na ka ba ka Kyrshan pat ya ka Sorkar ka Lamkhmat da ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur ka NPP ka shithi bala soi do konrad ke sangma National President klakam ba ka Sorkar jala ka jingelam UN Biren Singh kumu mitri rang ba ka phil lut bat baro kiliang bat ka khlemla banwanra e ka Shongshan hagate ka jela haga shithi bala pha shu National President ka BJP UJP Nadda u Konrad ulong bakum ka party ka sngokhia shikat dei lor ka jinglong jingmana Manipur haka badang haki khindiat sngi bala dem lai baki balului ki do e lagi jingem bat ka jinge kenat snam klawanra ka jing so sat ekinong song.
We have withdrawn our support to the Biren Singh led government. So it is very specific to him, to the individual. If we see that there's a change in the leadership, and if we see that there's a positive step forward, and if we see that there is a plan to move forward to find resolution, and we can constructively cooperate and contribute to ensuring that the peace and the normalcy will return, then we are happy to be working. But we'll see the situation. It's difficult to say right now. So specifically saying it's right now it's the Biren Singh led government, which we strongly feel our party leaders, our MLAs from Manipur, our state committee from Manipur strongly feels that we as a party have lost confidence in that, and that is the reason we have decided not to support the Biren Singh led government. Yes, we have been seeing this in the past 1.5 year, 1 year, 8 months, 9 months in fact. Different incidents have taken place where in different situations different houses of MLAs were vandalized, and even physical attack was there on large number of MLAs. It is unfortunate. It's really unfortunate that these kind of things happened. It is not the way forward to ensure that we find solution, but we can understand that the sentiments of the people is running very high, and these kind of actions, though they may not be a specific plan as such, but it does happen because the sentiments, as I said, are high. But having said that, we're hopeful that a serious note should be taken about what's happening in Manipur, and we're hopeful that positive steps will be taken to see that normalcy would return, peace and law and order would come back in the state of Manipur, and that's really what we are hoping for. And as a party, as the second largest party of Manipur, we are happy to cooperate and work in a positive way to find a solution to this problem. We were very hopeful that we would be able to see situation improve in Manipur. From government side, central government, the state government, different efforts were made, and our objective was to see that normalcy would return. It was not about politics as such, and hence we were hoping and we were supporting in the hope that we would be able to see the situation improve and normalcy would return in the state of Manipur. But in the last 1 week, we have seen the situation further deteriorate. I also would like to share that I have been discussing with a number of leaders from the center and the BJP also, and sharing with them that it is important to create a confidence building measure and trust in the system and the overall scenario out there. Because of the trust deficit, the overall activities and the actions being taken are not reaching to a logical conclusion. And hence, we have been stressing that some kind of a trust building measure must be taken from the government side, centre as well as state, to be able to then create that environment for the actions to actually have a positive result. That was not, in a way, done. But still, we were hopeful, as I said, that things would improve. But as I mentioned, in the last 1 week, we have seen the situation further deteriorate. And hence, we felt strongly that seeing the suffering of the people, and especially, as I said, last 1 week, and overall looking at the situation not improving any further, we have lost complete confidence in the current leadership there of Shri Biren Singh Ji, that we will not be able to move forward, and it will be difficult for the National People's Party to support the Biren Singh led government.
Kumban chukdo bak NPP kadon nyongut ke MDA jongka hakayeng torbar thawaan ban rupongut kidakhat akajala Manipur. Henry ka Weng Kyrshan ke NPP kanum khata setia ka Sorkar namar ka BJP kadon laipu arngut ke MDA jongka. Shusho ka BJP ka yo Kyrshan naga People's Front NPF kabadan sangut ke MDA bat kumjo naga Janata Dal United kabadan ringut ke MDA.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.